Hello guys, in this video lecture I'm going to teach you how to create a function program that does multiplication for us. Alright, first of all we're going to print a welcome message. I'll put some space. So I'll say something like welcome to multiplication over now we put some space again, print some dash space like this. Okay, so we're going to define a variable called number1, and we will ask the user to enter the first number. Enter is first number. Then we're going to define a second variable called number2, and we'll ask the user again to just copy this. Second number, and then I will define a variable called result, which is going to be equal to multiply. This is going to be the name of our function, and we're going to pass variable number1 into function number. So the function is actually a block of code which only runs when it's called. So we actually going to call our function here. We need to now define our function. Define a function multiply here, multiply, and inside the parentheses I will specify number1 and number2 as parameters, and then I will write result. Variable result will be equal to number1 and then function will return data of result. Okay, and finally I will print the result of this multiplication, this calculation. So I will say multiplication of actually it's number 1 and number 2 call the use the format function to result. Alright, that's it guys, and now we can run our code to test it. Okay, when you are out of place the first number, and we enter 747, and the second number will be 100, and we have the final result is 700. Can give another try. For example 20, the second number will be 2, and this is the last result, the final result. So that's how it's working. Thanks for watching. If you got some value from this video, feel free to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. See you again.